my first cake, so I'd watched Cake Boss and I was like, that looks like so much fun. I can do that. I went out and bought everything I needed.
Yeah.
And then I had my cousins for Tara and David, was it their anniversary or engagement cake or some kind of event was happening.
Okay.
So I made a cake for that and it was like a 2-tier teal cake with like white piping on it and like red, right? I think I got you to do the piping on top because your writing's nicer.
Oh, maybe.
Something like that. And I just like immediately was hooked. Like, and it wasn't great. And I didn't know what I was doing. I was using like these random tools. The cake itself probably was not good yet. But
Like
it was
taste
just
wise?
like,
Did
yeah,
you use boxed cake back then?
I might
For
have.
the first couple?
Oh, I probably did. Yeah.
Yeah.
I probably used box cake.
Could you explain what a box cake is for?
Oh, just like the
Myself.
cake you buy in a box.
Oh,
and you
okay,
have
okay.
eggs in the
Okay.
oil.
Oh, like
Yeah.
cake mix.
Yeah, like
Okay, I
Betty
got you.
Crocker or
Got
whatever.
you.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That I can do.
Yes.
Most people can.
Yes.
If you can't do that,
No,
there's no
no.
help.
That I can do.
Yeah, so I was just, so for me, it wasn't so much the baking, it was the decorating that I love.
Got you.
Still to this day. So it's like a means to an end. Like I had to bake the stuff to decorate. So yeah, I was just immediately hooked. Like I used to play hockey at U of M and I quit about a year before I started cakes. And I like had, my passion was hockey. Like that was my identity. It was everything. So when I lost that, I was like, there was nothing really that I loved in the world. I mean, besides people that I loved, but just like passion.
Your purpose.
Yeah, purpose.
Yeah.
So, and like school was fine, but I didn't love it. And so when I stumbled onto cake decorating, it was like, it immediately filled that hole and even more. So I just like couldn't let it go no matter what.